Hello everyone, I'm Monica Rana. This is Jago Himachal 365 Darkane Datke and you're watching Hillquest News Channel. Let's start with the headlines. Active COVID cases in India lowest in 71 days. Himachal's Baddi among 9 places for Sputnik B pilot launch. And Sirmaur May saw most fatalities in 2021. Moderate to heavy rainfall in Himachal Shimla wettest. HPSC BL appoints 215 JEs to be posted soon. One held with illegal liquor in Andrita. CBSE to adopt a 30:40 formula for evaluation of class 12 marks. Declare result by July 31. NIA raids former cop's house in Mumbai in Antilia and Hiran murder case. Government extend validity of motor vehicle documents till September 30. PM should acknowledge his mistakes, seek expert help to rebuild India, said Rahul Gandhi. Twitter India MD questioned Delhi police on May 31 in toolkit case, said officials. Now news in detail. Active COVID cases in India lowest in 71 days. A single day rise of 67,208 new coronavirus infections were recorded, taking India's total tally of COVID cases to 2,97,313, while the active cases declined to 8,26,740, the lowest in 71 days, according to the Union Health Ministry data updated on Thursday. The COVID death toll climbed to 3,81,903 with 2,330 fresh fatalities. The active cases declined to 8,26,740, comprising 2.78% of the total infections, while the national COVID recovery rate has improved to 95.93%. Himachal's Baddi among 9 places for Sputnik B pilot launch. Himachal Pradesh Baddi is among 9 cities where the limited pilot launch of the Russian COVID shot Sputnik V will soon be extended, with preparation in the final stages. The pilot to test cold storage at -18 degrees Celsius and other logistics is being extended to Baddi and 8 other cities: Visakhapatnam, Bangalore, Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai, Miaguda and Kolhapur after a successful pilot in Hyderabad. In Sirmaur, May saw most fatalities in 2021. The second May proved to be the most fatal for Bodning district of Sirmaur, where the death rate registered a 7-fold increase to 208 from last year's number of 30. An analysis of data reveals that 52 deaths had occurred within 12 hours of being hospitalized. 31 deaths had taken place within 24 hours, 17 within 5 days and 12 within 4 days. The remaining deaths occurred within a span of 6 to 35 days. Moderate to heavy rainfall in Himachal Pradesh Shimla wettest. Moderate to heavy monsoon rain lashed most part of the state, and Shimla was the wettest with 73 mm of rain. The local meteorological office has issued a yellow warning of thunderstorm and lightning in low and middle hills of Bilaspur, Shimla and Sirmaur on June 17. Mandi, Solan and Sirmaur on June 18, Kangra and Kullu on June 19 and Chamba and Mandi on June 20. Shimla was the wettest with 73 mm of rain, followed by Sundarnagar with 49 mm of rain, Kahu 37 mm, Mandi 36 mm, Jogindarnagar 27 mm, Bhoranj 26 mm, Nalagarh 25 mm, Panapur and Sarkaghat 22 mm, Arki 21 mm, Dalhousie 19 mm, Naina Devi and Dharamshala 18 mm each, Manali 17 mm, Bursar 14.5 mm, Kasoli, Dehra, Gopipur, Tisa, Bajura, Olinda and Amp 14 mm each. HPSC BL appoints 215 JEs to be posted soon. Himachal Pradesh State Electricity Board Limited HPSC BL has appointed 215 junior engineers JEs. Anurag Prashar, Joint Director PR HPSC BL, said that the newly recruited JEs would be soon posted on vacant posts throughout the state. He added that the matter was under litigation and the appointment had been done following court orders. Sanjay Kaushal, Superintending Engineering HPSC BL Kullu, said that 28 posts of JEs were vacant in the Kullu circle. He added that there were 72 sanctioned posts of JE in the Kullu circle and at present their strength was 44. 11 posts were vacant in Kullu division, 10 in Kalong division, 5 in Talot and 2 in Manali division. Due to the shortage of staff, the employees were overburdened to maintain uninterrupted power supply to consumers. One held with illegal liquor in Andretta. The police on a tip-off searched 2 houses of liquor smugglers in Andretta village, 15 km from here, under the Panchruki police station. They impounded a huge stock of liquor and arrested the kingpin of the mafia, Kuldeep Kumar. Strict instructions have been issued to all station house offices, SHOs in Palampur to identify liquor smugglers and suppliers in their areas. The officers have been asked to take all possible legal action against such person to ensure that no smuggling of liquor takes place, said the Palampur DSP. CBSE to adopt 30:40 formula for evaluation of class 12 marks. Declare result by July 31. The marks in classes 10, +1 and +2 will be considered in 30:40 to prepare the final result for class 12 students of CBSE, as the Supreme Court on Thursday accepted in principle the evaluation criteria submitted to it. Presenting a set of objective criteria of evaluation of class 12 students, Attorney General K.K. Venugopal told a bench led by Justice A.M. Khanwilkar that marks in the rest of 3 subjects would be considered for the purpose of class 10, 11 and 12th. While 30% weightage will be given for classes 10th and 11th, for classes 12th the weightage would be 40%, he said. Adding that for classes 12th, the marks obtained by a student in his unit, term and practical examination will be considered. NIA raids former cop's house in Mumbai in Antilia and Hiran murder cases. The National Investigation Agency NIA on Thursday conducted a raid at former Encounter Specialist Police Officer Pradeep Sharma's residence in suburban Andheri here early on Thursday in connection with its probe into the Antilia bomb scare case and Mansukh Hirani's murder, an official said. An NIA team along with armed CRPF personnel raided Sharma's house located in JB Nagar in Andheri West around 6 am, the official said. A search is being carried out, he said. According to sources, Sharma is also being questioned by the NIA team in connection with the case. Government extend validity of motor vehicle documents till September 30. The government on Thursday extended the validity of motor vehicle documents like driving license, registration certificate and permits till September 30, 2021 in view of the ongoing COVID pandemic. The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways said it had advised the enforcement authorities that the validity of fitness, permit, license, registration or any other concerned documents may be treated to be valid till September 30, 2021. This covers all documents whose validity has expired since February 1, 2020 or would expire by September 30, 2021. This will help our citizens in availing transport-related services while maintaining social distancing, it said. Prime Minister should acknowledge his mistakes, seek expert help to rebuild India, said Rahul. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Thursday said rebuilding India will begin once Prime Minister Narendra Modi acknowledges his mistakes and seeks help from experts, as living in denial will not solve anything. He said this while citing a report quoting World Bank's data on poverty, where India has a share of 57.3% in rising in global poverty during the COVID pandemic. This is a result of GOI's pandemic mismanagement, but we must look at the future now. Rebuilding our country will begin when Prime Minister acknowledges his mistake and seeks help from the experts, he said on Twitter while sharing the report. Twitter India MD questioned Delhi police on May 31 in toolkit case, said officials. Twitter India MD Manish Maheshwari was questioned by the Delhi police last month in connection with his probe into the COVID toolkit case, officials said on Thursday. They did not divulge further details, but said he was also questioned about the company's policy behind flagging tweets by users as manipulated media. This came after Twitter leveled as manipulated media a tweet by BJP spokesperson Sambit Patra on a COVID toolkit, attributed to the Congress on how to target the Modi government over its handling of the coronavirus crisis. So this is all for this time. Stay connected and keep watching Hilcoast News channel. Thank you.
हेलो हिमाचल 365 टीवी सूचना, समाचार, मनोरंजन, एजुकेशन और भी बहुत कुछ लेकर आ रहा है.
This is Himachal 365 TV and you're watching Hilcoast News. I'm Garima.
मैं मॉनिटर आना।
मेरा नाम है आशीष।
मैं पूजा धीमान।
ये है हिमाचल 365 टीवी और आप देख रहे हैं हिलक्विस्ट टीवी न्यूज। हम जल्द आ रहे हैं पूरे हिमाचल की ताजा तरीन खबरों के साथ। हर तरह के समाचारों के लिए देखिए हिमाचल 365 टीवी और जुड़े रहिए हिलक्विस्ट न्यूज के साथ।